How can you remove white background from an image in Photoshop? I'm going to show you three methods. The first one, we're going to use the object selection tool. So you select the object selection tool. Under the object selection tool, you're going to use the magic wand tool. Just on top of the image with the white background that you want to remove, then click once. This selects the white background. What you can do here is you can try to delete it. It's going to refuse. That's because you have to rasterize it. Right click on it from the layers here and you're going to see a rasterize layer. Then you can now delete the background like that. This does a wonderful job if you're working with the images that are solid, not like text like this. As you can see here, we've removed the white background, but we still have these white dots here. So what you can simply do here is you can still go ahead and use the same tool, select the layer with the text, then select the white area, delete it, do the same to this one, also select, delete, select, delete, select, delete. Just like that, you've removed the white background from the image. So you've just remained with what you needed. This is the first method. You can remove the white background from an image. Second method, we're also going to rasterize this one. Select it, right click on it from the layers and rasterize the layer. Do the same to this one also. So now the second method is select the image you want to remove the background from. Then you can just simply click on remove background down here. This is Photoshop 2024, so you have this option of removing the background. When you click on that, this is going to do its thing. It's going to remove the white background from that image, just like that. So you have just the object remained, and this does a very wonderful job. So I recommend it. Most of the times you're removing the background, you use this one because it's powerful. The third method is why you use the select tool. So what you do is you click on the image that you want to remove the white background from, then select subject. This is going to select the subject from the image. Then you will have to duplicate that selection and delete the remainder. So you see what this does here? It's selected the subject in the image. And here you will have to press Ctrl J on the keyboard, come to the layers and delete the bottom one. You just hide it like that. Then you will remain with this. As you can see here, this does a wonderful job when you're dealing with solid colors, but here we had that black extension. It's not added to this. So it's just up to you to choose which one you want to use, and also it also works perfectly well in certain situations. So this is just how you can remove white background from images in Photoshop. Hope this was helpful. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one.